Well, just a quick review of this catch can that I have fitted to the Mini Cooper S R56. On first impressions, it seems like an okay kit, but when you get down to the nitty-gritty, the catch can, I've just taken it off, and inside, yeah, it caught some fluid, which is great, oil and water mix, so that saves that going down back into the intake. But on inspection, I found that the probes inside the catch tank are corroded already, and it's only been on 2 weeks only, so that's pretty poor. Maybe worth spending a bit of extra money on a higher quality catch can, which I'll do in the future. The hoses, the connections that came with the kit were not correct. I mean, the connections on the catch can are kind of half inch, but the hose clamps are way too big, so they can basically move around inside the hose, and clamping down on them is not too great. And when supplied the kit, I've adapted it so that it has the correct 3/4 to ½ inch fitment between the original hose and the new hose. It came with some weird size adapter that would no way of joining with this original 3/4 hose, so definitely worth buying your own adapters, which kind of defeats the object of a plug and play kit, right? The same with onto the PCV hose. The connector was not the same size as the PCV hose, so I basically got to order 2 adapters myself from Home Depot or B&Q in the UK, depending where you're from. But yeah, and this heat shielding is pretty pants, to be honest. I mean, it's something I would maybe use to protect a bolt or something when it came through the post. It's not really, to say that is heat protective, I don't think so, not really. Anyway, that's my review of the kit. I'll be replacing it with something a bit more upmarket. It does the job, but you have to play with it to do it yourself properly. Straight out of the box, it's not a plug and play kit. Okay, if you like my video, subscribe, and I will be making more videos of mini products, car wrapping, all sorts of products that I'm going to be bringing over, testing, improving, and selling myself at CBW. Thanks very much for your time.